Greetings, Steve Snyder here. I'm in Camarillo, California, attending the annual Wings Over Camarillo airshow put on by the Commenorative Air Force Southern California Wing. I've been here several times. This is the second day. It's a two-day event, Saturday and Sunday. We'll go down the flight line here so you can look at some of these planes. This is a Hellcat. Shot down more Japanese fighters than any other U.S. fighter in the war in the Pacific. Next we have a dive bomber, Dauntless. It was very impactful in the Battle of Midway. It's early in the morning. It's just kind of getting set up here. I've been up here several years, signing copies of my book, Shot Down, which is sold by the CF Museum here. Going by some speakers, so the music's loud. Now here's, I think one of everyone's favorites, the P-38 Lightning. It's just such a classic, unique plane with the twin engines. Whoops. Stepped on a speaker there. The Germans call this a fork-tailed devil, and we'll come around here and I'll show you why. Get a little bit of the scenery here, the foothills. It's a beautiful day, so you can see why it was named the fork-tailed devil by the Luftwaffe. There we go. There's an old Russian MiG. Pretty cool. Take a look at that. We'll do a couple more here. Here we have a P-51 Mustang. It's got the colors and configuration of the Tuskegee Airmen. His name Bunny. I knew Bob Friend, who was a Tuskegee Airman pilot, and they painted this plane like his. His girlfriend was Bunny. He died a couple of years ago, just before his 100th birthday. Really nice guy. And then we have some more planes out here. We got another P-51 Mustang that we'll walk out to. And then next to it is a Japanese Zero. They're gonna kick me out of here in a minute. The show's gonna start. You get a better look at it. Yeah, it's pretty neat. And then finally, the piece de resistance, the PBJ patrol bomber, B-25 Mitchell. The PBJs flew in the Pacific. They had a little different configuration than the B-25 Mitchells that were in the European theater. But besides the B-17, this is my favorite Warbird. I've been up in a B-25 before. They're very loud. So I hope you enjoyed looking at some old Warbirds here. These are other planes in the air show. They got a lot of T-6 Texans flying too. It's trainers. Train more pilots than any other plane in the world. So take care. God bless. Keep them flying.